What's up everyone, Evgen here from a Canadian local company, Appliance Fix Lab. Let's go! Today is the wonderful sunny last days of summer 2024 and the last summer long weekend. Have a nice rest and have a nice Labor Day. Don't forget about the speed limits and the school zone which will come into effect in September. And so, the local company, Appliance Fix Lab, is finishing the summer and starting the autumn service maintenance of household appliances in Winnipeg and the surround areas. Our company provides repair services for Samsung and other brands of household appliances in Winnipeg and area. This video was filmed in the center of the intersection of the following Winnipeg areas: North Kildon, Rosemere, East Kildon, Springfield North, River East. Reason for the service call: the Samsung washing machine does not take in enough water during washing. To identify the cause, I went into service mode and ran a service test and checked step by step the operation of all washing cycles and the elements involved in these processes of the Samsung washer in all modes. When checking the Samsung washer, I found that water from the washer was leaking into the sewer, although the drain pump was not working. This trick is known as physical phenomenon, the siphon effect. Siphons were used in irrigation and transferring liquids, and their function was well understood by many ancient civilizations, including the Greeks and Romans. To eliminate the siphon effect, I increased the height of the drain hose and made sure that there was an air cushion between the hose and the water. Having checked the Samsung washer in all modes, I found no errors and completed the repair. I advise you to click the subscribe button on Appliance Fix Lab right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance and repair of appliances. You subscribe and like. I'm making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.